How to deal with Wi-Fi connectivity problems on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So whenever you have problem with Wi-Fi connectivity, make sure that you go for the proper Wi-Fi connection issue. So just go to your Wi-Fi section and make sure that you have connected to the available network. If not, you can also check for your updates on your device. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your device and then tap on about phone and just check for any updates available for your device or not. So as you can see, it says no updates available. So I'm going to go back and tap on the Wi-Fi again and try to log it or connect to the Wi-Fi network, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.